How many words is this? If you're looking for affordable excavating solutions priced right for your budget or searching for an excavating company near me, then First Call Plumbing, located in Chillicothe, has got you covered. Can a plumbing company change the game of digging services in Chillicothe, Mo? First Call Plumbing shows it's both doable and important. They're at 1813 Fairchild Street, Chillicothe, Missouri, known for top excavation services. They take on plumbing issues and complex digs with a skilled team ready 24/7. They are quick to solve problems and are top-notch plumbers in the area. Why look elsewhere for digging work when First Call Plumbing is available all the time? They offer the best expertise day and night. First Call Plumbing is a trusted provider of excavation services in Chillicothe, Missouri. The company is located at 1813 Fairchild Street, Chillicothe, Missouri, and is available 24/7 for residential plumbing and excavation needs. They are known for their skilled and qualified specialists. For expert assistance, you can contact them at 660-654-4679. This professional plumbing company works in places from Alabama to California and Texas to Wisconsin, reaching various sectors like commercial, healthcare, and industrial and energy. They have specific services like architectural design, structured steel, and cleaning HVAC air systems, showing their wide range of skills. Why choose First Call Plumbing for excavation services? First Call Plumbing is a top choice for expert excavation services. They offer skilled technicians, advanced equipment, and always put their customers first. They provide comprehensive excavation services for businesses, homes, and schools. Their skills cover concrete, fire safety, security systems, HVAC, and managing projects. They meet all your needs in one place. Their well-trained technicians make projects successful. The team at First Call Plumbing has years of experience. They handle every task with great skill, which is why people keep choosing them for excavation work. First Call Plumbing uses the latest technology for digging. Their high-tech tools work efficiently and protect the environment. They lead in excavation because of their advanced methods. Customer happiness is key at First Call Plumbing. They listen to what clients want and always try to go beyond their expectations. This approach has won them many fans and a strong reputation in their field. First Call Plumbing is a top choice for digging work in Chillicothe, Missouri. They are known for their skilled work, focusing on doing jobs efficiently and reliably. Every client ends up happy with their digging projects. First Call Plumbing is a licensed digger, which shows they follow rules and work safely. Plus, being insured means clients don't worry about accidents, adding safety and peace of mind. They offer many services like building homes and working with concrete. They are ready to take on big and hard digging jobs. Their work quality and focus on safety make them a good choice for any project. First Call Plumbing uses new, less disturbing digging technology. This approach is faster, cheaper, and better for the planet. It shows First Call's aim to use new digging methods for the best results. They also focus on green solutions, important for modern projects, especially for eco-friendly buildings. First Call Plumbing is known for being fast and efficient. They answer calls within a day, starting projects quickly. This speed and reliability make them popular in Chillicothe. First Call Plumbing offers top-notch sewer line repair services. They use the latest technologies and methods, ensuring you get the best service with little to no trouble. They use camera inspection technology to check sewer lines closely. This method avoids digging up your yard, helping to find and fix problems fast while keeping your yard intact. They also offer trenchless sewer repair, which means they can fix pipes without big digs. This saves your garden and cuts down on fixing costs. They do the job fast with little bother, showing their top-notch sewer repair services. First Call Plumbing doesn't just fix problems, they help stop them. They check sewers, take precaution steps, and give solid solutions to keep sewers working well. This smart care stops big fixes later and keeps sewers running smoothly. First Call Plumbing focuses on making customers happy. They are quick to respond, usually in about 9 hours. With over 40 years in the plumbing business and a large, skilled team, they stand out in sewer line repair.